Hello everybody. I'm going to be working on my car 2011 Volvo SUV XC60. The problem is right here, the upper engine mount. It's also called upper torque rod mount. This one is broken. You can see if I try to move this, you can see it moves back sideways, so the rubber is completely broken. So I'm going to be replacing that with the brand new part. I bought it on Amazon. It's only $37. If I buy it at dealership, it's $150 for this part. So basically the tools I need a 15mm socket to open the two bolts here, and then I need a 8mm socket to open this reservoir. So basically I'm gonna start off. I mean, if I had given this car to dealer to have it repaired, it would have costed me $350 to replace this, and so my cost is only $37 to do the repair. Shouldn't take that long. Can be done in 5 minutes, but the dealership charges the labor, an hour and a half labor, which takes only 5 minutes to do this. So first thing I do is remove this reservoir, so that I can access to the two bolts easily. So I take this, basically use the 8mm socket, and so it came out, and just lift this up. Basically it should come out, and I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to put this piece of wood underneath so that it can stay right there. So now I have access to these two bolts right here. So, and these bolts are pretty hard to take it out, so I'm going to use an extension bar. So I'm going to try to take this out. Yeah, it's not going to come. So I'm going to use this extension bar. Okay, got that out. So I'm going to take this one out. It's a long bolt. So this is one bolt. Take the other one off. this, the longer one. So I'm going to put this back here and check this part out, and you can see how bad this piece is already broken. So I'm going to basically put this one here, and I'm going to use this small one over here. So I'm going to again put the reservoir back over here so that I have access to the hole. So I'm going to put it over here, and now I can put the okay, got that one, and this one is going to go right over here. I'm going to put this one first. Okay, I'm going to put this one. Okay, I think I got it. Sometimes the part is not to the right tolerance. I think that's why they provide a slot. Yep, job is almost done. It's a pretty long bolt. Okay, the engine mount is installed, and I'm gonna put the reservoir back. And put this 8mm screw. Okay, that's it. Got a brand new upper engine mount. So job done. So it didn't take that long. I just saved an hour and a half labor they would charge at the dealership. Okay, see you all next time.